Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. On just over 1 acre of gently sloping land in the residential and agricultural community of Top Hill, St. Elizabeth, is this single-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It is the perfect starter home for a young family or an ideal home for retirees. With a very rural feel, the cool and breezy veranda overlooks the adjoining farms and extended countryside, situated just 2.5 miles southwest of the Junction Town Center. This location makes for easy access to shops, banks, schools, churches, and more. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $142,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.